Is this taking a lot from you to clean a headstone?
Not at all. Financially, no. Emotionally, yes. But I feel like it's something I can put forth and grow from it. Like if I'm, like I said about my son, you know, I could do this and use this as a learning experience, and I could grow from it versus being depressed about it. I lost my son and I lost my mom, and it hurt me. It was very devastating. And so going there and seeing them is hard. It's very hard. And me going there and seeing dirt and all kinds of stuff built up, it's even harder. And so I started doing my mom's and my son's, and it gave me inspiration to somebody else don't want to do that, so they don't have the means to do it. So I want to help them, so it makes them easier going to see their loved one. And so I started doing it, and I got some real positive feedback on it, and it made me feel good. And so I like helping people. I like making people smile, and it's just one way I can make people smile and help people. I go to church, and so I have very full faith, and so I felt like God was leading me to help people. I did it myself the first time, and it was hard enough, you know, seeing my son. So I did it myself, and then the next time I came out there, and they looked, Dad, looks good, and it made me feel good. So I was like, if it makes my sons feel good coming to see their brother, imagine how it makes somebody else come to see their mom or their dad or their sister, you know. So it kind of gave me that idea, and I started praying on it, and then I pushed myself to do it.
Why involve the children in that?
I want to teach them about hard work and what it means to have, you know, have what you have. You know, anybody can give you anything, but you work for it, you must appreciate it a lot more. So I don't want to give my kids everything. I want to give them what they earn.
And can you kind of talk about how it has been with the kids helping you out? They look like they're pretty helpful.
Yes, ma'am, they are pretty helpful. At times it can be a little stressful, so you kind of got to slow down. You know, they do slow me down a lot, but sometimes I need that. Sometimes I get ahead of myself and I start rushing, and I got anxiety, so I start tripping over myself, and they're like, Dad, slow down a little bit. All right. So at first it was kind of stressful, but I'm kind of adjusting to it, and they're my helpers, so I really do appreciate them. Like, most people, of course, are gonna be like, okay, it looks a little messy, let's go ahead and clean it, you know, do this, do that, versus, hey, we can show up, we can play some music, you know. Might be a little morbid. When I go see my mom, I have lunch with her. You know, we used to have Coke, so I'll bring a bottle of Coke and I'll sit it on her grave and I'll have Coke with her. You know, so when you get there, you don't want to have to clean it up and then do that. You show up and it's already done. Coming to the cemetery is just depressing enough, coming to see your loved ones. I would like to help out, and whoever's coming to see their loved ones showing up and it being done already. It's hard enough coming and seeing dirt and grime and algae and all that built up. So when you show up, I want it done. I want it all clean, all the grass around it all flat. I want it nice and clean. You know, it's hard enough, like I said, coming there. So when you show up, I want it done. I want you to have that time to visit with your family. I guess it makes me feel like the person that's visiting the loved ones, that they're still being loved from somebody else other than them. Like if they didn't do it, who would do it for me? Well, I would. I want them loved ones to know that I ain't forgotten about you, that if you need me, I'm here.